Hey, beautiful YouTube people out there. You remember I just released the Tab S7 LITE video? Well, let me correct myself. It's now online. Galaxy Tab S7 Fan Edition 5G. It tells me I can buy it. It shows me the click button here, the button I can click it, but then it goes somewhere else. I can sign up for it. But let me give you everything you need to know about the Tab S7 Fan Edition and 5G. It is. So, pricing you can see $649. Yep, that may be a bit steep for some people, but stick with me. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. It comes in Mystic Black and Mystic Silver. So that's that. These are the two colors that are available for the Fan Edition 5G version. Display size, and we said this many times, it is a 12.4-inch display. As of today, this may change, but this is what you see is what you get basically right now as of today. When it comes to sound, we love the sound on the Tab S7 and the Tab S7 Plus. There are some amazing speakers. This one here has dual speakers with AKG, sound by AKG, and it is basically Dolby Atmos as well. And again, it shows the display size here. But let's see, we're gonna test it all. So please make sure you like and subscribe. We're gonna do the whole shebang for you. And now the juicy bits, the processor, right? And people say maybe hopefully this and that, but it is what it is. It is the 750G for the 5G version here. But what is really kind of getting me not too excited is the RAM, 4 GB of RAM. That's not what we expected, because usually the 5G version of a tablet, of any device that Samsung release, means it is the top version, right? So pretty much it is what it is. It is an octa-core 64 GB SSD. You do have a micro SD card slot that gives you up to 1 TB, but the 4 GB of RAM will stay. What could happen is that in other countries like the US, you have 6 GB, but in Europe, as of today, I can only see the 4 GB. We also have 5G included. I mentioned this already, so let's skip this part. And then we have the battery. It is pretty much the same as the Tab S7 Plus battery. It says 13 hours, and you can see the number here. I don't have to read it. It is the same capacity, but it does have also the 45-watt fast charging. And I'm a bit slower probably than usual because I'm trying to translate this from German into English, and that maybe takes a bit longer sometimes, so I apologize. When it comes to camera, I believe Samsung must be watching our videos, because we always talk about the placement of the camera, and now they're finally bringing this up as a marketing game placement, right? It makes sense because other companies don't have that placement, and I'm not going to mention who that is, but you know what I'm talking about. And here you can see they're kind of making a big deal out of it. So that's I think it's good. It's a nice touch. The S Pen is included, and then it's all about the S Pen coming up. But there's one thing coming up that's interesting for people who are artists or graphic designers. You can see here text, pen to text. Sorry, I'm keep trying to translate this from German into English. Pen up, obviously, but here Clip Studio Paint, right? They're telling you that you basically can have 6 months for free when you buy this device. So I guess it's good. I kind of like this because there's a collaboration going on again here. There's more collaboration coming on here for Canva Pro. You can see this also. Canva Pro is now also included, or they're making it a bit more as a marketing play for the Tab S7 Fan Edition. And the next one also Note Shelf, and here they're saying it is free. So then we move on to Samsung DeX, and that was a big part of the video I did earlier because we also spoke about the keyboard, and you can see this keyboard here. It has a dedicated DeX button, so DeX is included. I think it's a nice touch. I think for $649 it should be included, so there's no discussion about it. In fact, I think the keyboard should be included for the price, so let me know what you guys think. Multitasking, obviously, and all the other stuff that comes with it. Sharing here, you can see, and let's move on to the specifications. And now the juicy bit. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. Okay, let's start here. Article number, for some people that may be interesting. Then you have the processor speed. You can see this here, octa-core S Pen, yes, and it does have the TFT display, and this is the resolution here, including the pixel amount of pixels that comes with it. Camera, 8 megapixel for the main camera, and then 5 megapixel for the other camera. In terms of video, you have full HD at 30 FPS. Again, here 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of SSD, and then it says available space for the SSD is about 46-ish normal, right? You have stuff installed and the operating system installed. Then you obviously have what's available for 5G, 4G, LTE, GSM, UMTS, and so on. For the USB-C one, you have the USB 3.2 generation 1, so that's good. You can plug in an external monitor. That's all good. The wireless, I have to see, it doesn't say which version it is, does it? No, Bluetooth 5 it is. Android Mystic Black, that's the version we've chosen here. But then the weight, it's important here, 600 grams. And then basically, I didn't check it yet because I just wanted to do this video. It should be the same as the Tab S7 Plus, but we'll check it obviously once we have the device. I can measure that later. Then you have the battery capacities here. Again, audio and video. And then you have some, whatever you have for your Galaxy Buds and so on, and what does it support. And guys, that's pretty much it. So let me know. I wanted to make this quick and dirty video for you guys in order to show what's coming your way. So let me know. Any questions, let me know. If you want me to translate anything, let me know also. Thank you for watching as always. Jens here. Peace out.